Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unpackaging of a brand new product that was sent to me, and I'm super excited to open it. So this product was sent to me by GSJJ, say that 10 times fast. And it is a wonderful company that makes stickers and other custom products like buttons, magnets, wall graphics, and other types of things that you can use to customize and personalize any item. So you can do this for parties, you can do this for your own personal items, whatever it is you like. And here it is, you guys. I'm super excited to open up this box. It's very well packaged and taped extremely well. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and open it up. All right, so as you can see, these are stickers that represent my logo for CreateKingdomPlans. It is a little yellow crown that has a little black outline. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. It's so cute. And I can see that it has some white in the background, and that is peeking through, so it's really, really a cute sticker. I am in love with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and count them real quick. I think I have about 40 stickers. Okay, so I have exactly 42 stickers after counting, and you can see how gorgeous they are. They're high gloss, high quality, beautiful stickers, and of course you can use any image to customize it the way that you want. So a little about GSJJ. They have been working in the manufacturing industry for 20 years. They do free shipping to the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, free design and artwork. They have a factory direct price, one-stop service, and over 5,000 excellent reviews. So they do various products like label pins, patches, stickers, challenge coins, medals, belt buckles, keychains, lanyards, wristbands, and so much more, you guys. Like, you have to check this company out. So definitely check their website. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Now, we are going to test out these stickers. Let's give it a try. I'm just going to put it on a few items and see, what I think about them. So these stickers are able to be stuck on anywhere, and I'm going to try it on a few different surfaces to show you guys. So here's an up-close view of the sticker. Super glossy, super cute, and you can see everything is detailed wonderfully. What I love about these stickers is that each of them have already an opening where you can stick it on so easily without any issues. Okay, so I'm going to stick it first on this cover that I have for my laptop. And it is a matte cover. It's not like just flat acrylic. It has a little bit of a texture to it, but it sticks very well, and it's been sticking on for about 3 weeks now. I am pretty rough with my devices, and being that this voiceover is about 2 to 3 weeks old, I can tell you that it's still stuck on really well. And if it sticks to this surface, it'll stick to anything. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.